Your AI agent has been lying to you. Most AI tools you've used can talk about doing things. They can describe how to deploy a server, outline the steps to build a web scraper, or explain how to refactor a codebase. What they generally cannot do is actually deploy that server, run that scraper, or refactor that code without constant handholding. The gap between generating text about work and actually doing the work is where most AI tools stop short. Hermes agent sits on the other side of that gap. It's an autonomous agent, meaning it doesn't just respond to prompts, it takes actions. It opens and edits files, executes shell commands, searches the web, calls APIs, and chains all of those steps together in pursuit of a goal you set. By the end of this lesson, you'll understand exactly what distinguishes an autonomous agent from the tools you've already used, and why Hermes occupies a different category entirely. 3 types of AI, and why the difference matters. The word agent gets thrown around loosely in the AI space right now, so let's draw some clear lines. There are 3 distinct types of AI tools in common use, and the differences matter practically. A chatbot is the most familiar model. You type a message, it generates a response. It has no persistent memory between sessions, no access to external tools, and no ability to take actions beyond producing text. It's powerful for certain tasks, brainstorming, drafting, explaining, but it's entirely passive. When the conversation ends, nothing has changed in the world. A coding copilot goes further. Tools like GitHub Copilot understand your codebase, suggest completions, and help you write code faster. They're genuinely useful, but they operate within a narrow lane. They assist with code, they work within one application, and they still require you to review and execute every time.
Thing they produce. An autonomous agent changes the equation. It receives a goal, not a prompt requesting text, but an actual objective, and works toward it by planning, acting, observing results, and adapting. It can run for minutes or hours. It can chain dozens of steps. It operates in your real environment with real consequences. Hermes agent is firmly in this third category.
The self-improving loop. Here's what makes Hermes distinctly different from other autonomous agents. The more you use it, the better it gets at working for you specifically. When you complete a complex or multi-step task with Hermes, a custom deployment process, a research pipeline, a configuration workflow, the agent can capture that entire process as a skill. A skill is a structured memory file in a format called skill.md that records what steps worked, in what order, and with what preferences applied. Next time you need something similar, Hermes loads the relevant skill and starts from a position of already knowing the playbook. This isn't generic improvement from training on the internet. These are your workflows, tuned to your environment, captured from your actual sessions. Over weeks and months, the agent builds a library of proven procedures for the things you do regularly. Complex tasks that once required significant back and forth become faster and more efficient, reliable, because the groundwork is already laid. The community catalog at agentskills.io extends this further. Other Hermes users publish skills that they've built and refined. You can browse, install, and immediately apply months of other practitioners' work to your own environment. Everything from CI/CD automation to literature review pipelines to infrastructure management workflows. Key differentiators. Let's look at 3 specific characteristics that set Hermes apart, because these will shape how you use and configure it. First, provider-agnostic model support. Most AI tools lock you into one provider. Hermes works with over 20. Anthropic, OpenAI, DeepSeek, Grok, OpenRouter, Mistral, and local models via Olama, among others. You choose the model that's right for each task based on capability, cost, and the sensitivity of the data involved. You can use a lighter, cheaper model for routine automation and a more capable frontier model for complex reasoning, and switch between them freely. Second, multi-platform availability. Hermes doesn't live only in your terminal. Through its gateway feature, the same fully capable agent can receive tasks from Telegram, Discord, Slack, email, SMS, and other platforms. You can send a task from your phone while away from your desk and receive the results on the same channel. Third, Genuine extensibility. When the defaults don't match your workflow, you can modify the system, add custom tools, build/commands, write plugins, and publish skills. Hermes is designed to be extended rather than worked around. What this course covers. Over the modules ahead, we're taking you from absolute zero to a fully configured, productively automated Hermes setup. We start with installation. There's a 2-minute path if you want to move fast, and build systematically through core concepts: daily CLI usage, configuration, the skills system, memory, the gateway, automation with cron jobs and webhooks, multi-agent coordination, voice and vision, security, and developer extensibility. The structure is deliberately progressive. Each module builds on the last, but most are self-contained enough to serve as references once you're past the foundations. If you already have Hermes running and want to jump to a specific capability, you can. If you're starting from scratch, work through in order. The most useful thing to carry through this course is a concrete goal, a real workflow you want Hermes to own or accelerate. The content becomes most meaningful when it connects to
something specific. We'll revisit that question throughout, and by Module 9, you'll have everything you need to build it.
The most useful thing to carry through this course is a concrete goal, a real workflow you want Hermes to own or accelerate. The content becomes most meaningful when it connects to something specific. We'll revisit that question throughout, and by Module 9, you'll have everything you need to build it. Hermes Agent is an autonomous AI agent, not a chatbot, not a copilot, that takes real actions in your computing environment and gets better at working for you over time through a skill-based learning system. Its 3 defining characteristics are provider-agnostic model support, connect to 20+ LLM providers, multi-platform availability via the gateway, and genuine extensibility for developers who want to push beyond the defaults. In the next lesson, we'll look at the full range of what you can actually build with Hermes: software development, research, system administration, and automation, with concrete examples to help you identify where it will have the most impact on your specific work.